Hi, welcome sa ating bagong reaction video. So, magandang gabi, magandang umaga, magandang hapon kung saan mo kayo ngayon, guys. So, ngayon, I'm so excited, guys, kasi meron naman tayong bagong reaction video ngayon. So, this is walang iba kundi ang ating nation's girl group ulit na BINI. So, they just dropped a new latest music video from their latest EP na Signal. So yung name ng song is A Blush. So actually guys, I'm so excited when it comes to this because narinig ko na rin yung quick short teaser ng kanilang Blush new music video, and ang ganda ng vibe. It's like summer vibe na basta it's like a banger, a summer vibe na banger, something like that. So excited na ako, guys, kung ano ang kakalabasan ng whole music video, yung production, yung concept. Unti-unti na naman nating i-breakdown at i-check kung paano nila binuo yung ganitong yung Blush music video. So sa mga bago guys sa channel ko, ako nga pala si Jam. So mga ginagawa kong content is unboxing, reaction video, travel vlogs, and dance choreography also. But right now, I'm really focused on making a reaction video content. So excited na ako, guys. So samahan niyo ako. So let's check, let's watch this new official video of BINI sa kanilang new EP na Signal. This is Blush. In 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, let's go.
Let's go.
Signal detected. Ito yung sa zero pressure nila na ending. Wow. Desierto. Damn! Maloy, ang ganda mo. Grabe naman yun. Grabe yung bungad. Basta ako. Grabe ang nila, guys, ang fresh. Diwata sa lupa. Damn. Grabe yung visual. Let's go, Gwen. Wow. Damn! Bisaya, man! Wow! Grabe! Grabe sa visual. Grabe. Nasa ilalim sila ng dagat? From desierto to ano? Ganda ng effects, man. Damn. Wow. From desierto to naging mermaid. Very talaga, very magical. Wow. Grabe. Damn. Wow. 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 Yun lang guys, yun yung ano guys, yun yung pinaka word ko sa music video na yun, na sa music video na to is wow. Grabe. Okay. Let's do a quick breakdown. Actually guys, gusto ko siyang ulitin like how many times kasi grabe. Ang ganda lahat. Let's gonna do a quick breakdown. Actually, gusto ko siya guys panoorin ulit kasi ang dami ring mga nangyari. Tsaka ang dami kong gustong i-highlight. So, unang-una guys, let's go with the concept. So, sa concept ng kanilang music video is nandun sila sa desierto, and then they are like fairy, something like that, or something like summer vibe na desierto yung concept. Tapos biglang nag-switch into like nandun sila sa tubig, like under the water, something na ang ganda ng effect ng lights sa kanila. Tapos sumasayaw sila sa tubig, and then yung vibe biglang nag-iba from desierto, naging like magical type of vibe na parang mga diwata sila, something fairy or sirena. So grabe yun, at napakaganda ng concept. Una, yun yung ano ko. Pangalawa is yung visual. Grabe guys, grabe yung quality. Wala akong masabi sa visual. Nandun na lahat. Silang 8 guys, nandun lahat. As in yung fits, visual, ang quality, ang the way sila mag-project sa camera, you already know naman kasi dyan, magaling sila dyan di ba? But yung management tsaka yung production, kung paano nila na maximize tsaka na highlight yung every member ng BINI is saludo ako guys sa kanila. They really did a great job. Yun lang. Tapos sa choreography, isa pa yun. Actually sa choreo, hindi ko masyado na focus yung sa choreo na part kasi doon pa lang sa concept, sa visual, sa production, medyo there's a lot na pwede mong, like kailangan mong ulitin. Pero sa mga choreography, may mga nakita ko doon na bago, like sa formation, sa mga variation. Pero if magre-release sila guys ng dance practice, I think that's the time na I need to dig deeper sa choreo nila. But this time, kasi kauna-unang nood ko to, so I really need to watch it again so that I can be able to check and see when it comes of the details ng kanilang choreography tsaka formation variation. So if they're going to release a dance practice ng Blush, I think that's the time na magbe-breakdown ako more detailed na kanilang choreography. But right now, we're just gonna do a breakdown of the whole music video as well as the concept and the music itself, yung Blush. So third nata or fourth is yung rap na part ni Gwen tsaka ni Mika. Nag-rap ba dun si si Stacy or si Joe? So another thing pala guys is it's a really good part na they incorporate a Bisaya word or Bisaya dialect doon sa rap na part, which is si Colette, yung kumanta, alam naman natin from Bohol. So kasi last ko na nakita yung may Bisaya na rap sila is doon sa Coke Studio na bata yata, si Colette din yung nag-rap sa part na yun na may Bisaya na dialect or language something. So it's very unique again to hear that. It's very like refreshing sa tenga. Tsaka maganda kasi in-incorporate nila yung ganong idea sa rap na part ng Blush. Tsaka syempre yung yung bias ko, 'di ba? Grabing hatak sa akin nung bias tsaka yung bias record ko, which is si Bobby tsaka si Lucky. Alam niyo na 'yan. So, yun guys, grabe. I mean, aside from the rap na part is hindi ako nagkamali sa vibe ng Blush. It's really a summer vibe. And since na magpe-perform na sila, so ngayon guys, it's already April 9 ngayon. So, mag-perform sila sa Coachella sa 10, but here in Philippines, since that there is a time difference, so mas makikita namin yung performance nila live sa Coachella YouTube channel sa Saturday 7 a.m. So yeah, so excited na ako. Dalawang tulog na lang, and of course I think parang may hint ako na ipi-perform nila to yung Blush sa Coachella. Hindi ako fully sure, pero sa mga nakita ko noon na mga interview something, may may mga hint doon na parang ipo-perform nila yung Blush. But I'm not fully sure. It's just my guess or opinion. But anyways, guys, in a full perspective, yung official music video ng Blush as well as yung music itself is really a 10 out of 10 for me, including the fits, the concept, the production, the effects when it comes to part by part, at yung mga rap na part. Yung choreography, I think mas ma-appreciate ko yun, or mas fully breakdown ko siya once na nilabas sila yung dance practice. Yeah, so better watch out for that. I think magre-release sila ng dance practice sila ng Blush din, kasi parang nakita ko din sa schedule. But excited din ako dun, guys. But for this, I need to watch it again. Yun lang. So, salamat sa mga nakaabot sa part na to, and then keep supporting, guys, OPM, acts, not just Beanie, but all of the OPM artists natin. So, keep supporting. Yun, napaka-solid ng mga talents natin dito, and it's really deserved na makilala, guys, internationally yung mga talents natin dito sa Pinas. So, yun lang. Salamat sa mga nakaabot sa part na to, and don't forget to click the subscribe button at i-ring nyo rin yung bell para updated kayo sa lahat ng mga ipopost dito sa channel. And yep, I'm out. Peace, and see ya.
Let's go.